Hi friends, welcome to Cartoonim channel. Today we are going to explore my drawing book which I have drawn it 8 years ago when I was 14 years old. Let's start. Here is our first alien, XLR8. This is my favorite alien because he can move fast and do everything faster. Yeah, so he is my favorite alien. Ghost Freak. I don't know what his powers are. Yeah, I don't remember it. Rib Jaws. I think it's a water alien. Upchuck. I think he throws acid. Yeah, that's his power. Stingfly. He stings a lot. Upgrade. He can transform into anything. Yeah, that's his power. Ditto. He can clone into many aliens like him. I think this is the super cool power. If I have this power, it will be so cool. I will clone into myself and do all the things by them. Yeah, super cool alien. Diamond Head. This is also super cool alien, powerful alien. Wild Mud. Wildy alien. Way big. Grey matter. Forearms. Very powerful alien. Yeah, strong alien. Heat blast. This is also my favorite alien because fire is my favorite element. Wild vine. Ben Wolf. Eye guy. Yeah. Cannon bolt. Humongosaur. I think I left one page. Yeah. Ben Mummy. This is also an alien. Kevin Levin. He absorbs the Benton watch so that he get the powers of all the aliens. So that Kevin turns into like this.